My namaste to all. Should we bear leaves after the corona caution period? Everyone says that the days will be very hard. Those working in the advertising industry. Yes, it will be very hard, not in the sense of less work, but to show their creativity in less duration and also in less cost because plenty of opportunities are waiting for them. It is well known that China, our neighbor, is going to suffer the most after the corona lockdown period. Everybody in the world knows that India is a consumer market. Most of the products that we use and is using by the citizens of the developed countries are produced in China, though the brand name belongs to some other countries. It is quite true that no proud man who loves human beings and his country will not buy or use Chinese products until the bruises heal. The balance sheet is the balance sheet is that many new and non-Chinese products will rule our market for a while. India's Make in India project will also play a big role in this strategy. Most companies will cut advertising cost because of their of the large losses from corona. But national brands can't make much. Therefore, they will try to adopt cheap advertising methods. Advertisement is an essential component because many new brands are coming to the market and a number of Indian products are coming to the market. All the international brands that are manufactured and distributed from China have to worry about letting the customer know that the product is not made in China. There is no other way other than advertising. Therefore, all Indian brands and the international brands, those going to manufacture outside China, maybe in India, will get maximum share in the market. So I request all Indian friends working in industry, advertising industry, should be ready to serve their clients with the new themes, but of course in less cost. And the models, in the stars, also will help you people to charge their benefits in less also because they are all coming together to help the industries and the citizens of India. All the best. Mohan Karipur, Managing Director, BBS India, Cochin. Namaste.